about material need analysis. Need analysis is a process carried out to determine the learning needs of students. Richard's definition shows that the focus of needs analysis is how the needs of students in the learning and teaching process meet so that the expected goals can be achieved. One from needs analysis is for the development of teaching materials, such as quoted from Zorabi 2012, which stated that needs analysis aims to improve and prepare teaching materials and methods according to learning objective. Next, analysis the needs for the development of teaching materials, very important to do according to Kaur 2007, Nunan 1988, in Darici 2060, analysis to teaching material needs guides teachers to choose from of activities, materials, and directing teachers to achieve goals learning according to the needs of students. So, needs analysis is very important. It is important for teachers to do so that learning objectives are achieved properly.
Warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Missy Ratutria. IPM is 90400029. Now I want to explain furthermore the actual need analysis often been done by the teacher, often if informally, to find out what knowledge needed by students in learning a language. However, thus, teacher need to know what component need to be studied needs in the teaching and learning process. A good need analysis not only done to student, but also teachers and administrator need analysis process. In addition, data collection for need analysis can also be used done subjectively, namely by providing a self-assessment by students using lists and scales, and questionnaire and interview. Nation and McAllister 2010 and in Darici 2016. Furthermore, Nation and McCullough 2010 in Darici 2016 suggests three forms of grouping of need analysis into the three things, namely lacks or lacks, wants, and necessities or needs. This method can be seen from the type of need and the type of data that has been collected. Thank you.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Nur Islamabad Khatib. My NPM is 18040025. Okay, I'm here going to explain about the importance of needs analysis in material development. Teacher also need to know what component needs to be studied for their needs in the teaching and learning process from the table Mashura 1998 inside Darici 2019. Provide a guide for conducting the need analysis process. A good needs analysis is not only carried out for the student, but also for teacher and administrator. A needs analysis process is also carried out. The table above is equipped with the point must be analyzed when conducting the needs analysis process for student, teacher, and administrator. So it's hope that just 3 points will be result in a better and clear needs analysis so that the intended target in learning process can be achieved. Artinya ialah pentingnya analisis kebutuhan dalam pengembangan material. Guru juga perlu mengetahui komponen apa saja yang perlu dipelajari untuk kebutuhan dalam proses belajar mengajar. Dari tabel Masyura 1998 di dalam Darici 2016 memberikan paduan untuk melakukan proses analisis kebutuhan. Analisis kebutuhan yang baik tidak hanya dilakukan untuk siswa tetapi juga untuk guru dan administrator. Proses analisis kebutuhan juga dilakukan tabel di atas dilengkapi dengan poin-poin apa saja yang harus dianalisis ketika melakukan proses analisis kebutuhan bagi siswa, guru, dan administrator. Sehingga diharapkan ketiga poin tersebut akan menghasilkan analisis kebutuhan yang lebih baik dan jelas sehingga target yang diinginkan dalam proses pembelajaran dapat tercapai. Thank you. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.